Okay, another update on the onion. I've come through and given it 1 light and 2 wet coats of epoxy primer. It will hopefully, they say it sticks like shit to a blanket. It goes nice and hard, and then you can put all your bog and do all your fill and everything on top of that. So I'm hoping that's what the go is, that it will actually do that, and then we can do all our repairs and stuff and not have the same issue as it had with the previous repairs with rust under the bog, because now all the metal is treated by this stuff. Because like all this here has got to be rebuilt, you can see it all there. While it may look shiny with all my bits from the fluoro lights, there is quite a few lumpy bits in it. Unfortunately the tin was a bit, took a bit of stirring, so I flicked a few lumpy bits out, but it's alright because it'll get blocked back anyway. Let that bake for a day and we'll start doing some sculpting.